Hey, welcome to the show. I have a challenging math problem for you today. It is 4 divided by 200. You're like saying, hey, I think that's pretty easy. But remember, this is 4, like $4, and I need to divide that by 200. So, for example, if I have $4 and 200 friends come over, I'm not sure if I have 200 friends, but if there's 200 friends that come over and they want a part of my $4, how much do I give them? So this is the challenging math problem I would like you to do. Hit that pause button right now, try to figure it out, and when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. All right, let's go ahead and rewrite this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put 4 right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put 200 on this side. All right. Now, some of you might have put the 200 over on this side, and that's why it is really important that we read this problem. 4 divided by 200. 4 divided by 200. So can I put 200, can I take 200 out of the 4? Can I put this, how many times can I put 200 into 4? You just can't, can you? So we need to add a decimal point. Super decimal point! Put a decimal point right here. Whenever you put a decimal point there, you put one right up here. Now, this is 4. 4 point. Still did not change the value. I can even put a 0 right there. This is still 4.0, still 4. Can I put 200 into 40? No, you just can't. So now I need to add another 0. Now when I add another 0 right here, I need to put that 0 right here because I'm dealing with this number here, and then my answer would go up here. So can I put 200 into 400? Yes, you can. How many times? So if that's a big number for you to look at, you can cover up a 0. So then how many times can I put 20 into 40? If it's still a little difficult for you, cover up both zeros. And now how many times could I put 2 into 4? That would be 2 times. So my 2 would go right up here. So 2 times 200 would be 400. You subtract, and then 0. So the answer is 0.2. What does this mean? Now remember, I had $4. I need to divide that to 200 of my friends, and they are going to get 0.02. Did I say 0.2 on the other one? Sorry about that. This is 0.02, okay? 0.02, well, I'm going to back up. 0.2 is like 20 cents, all right? 0.02 is 2 cents. All right, so that's 2 pennies. So when these 200 people come over, I can give them 2 pennies. All right, so they're not going to get a lot of money, but they're going to get 2 pennies. All right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I hope you're having a great day out there. I hope you're being safe. Hope you're having fun learning. I think about you guys a lot. I'm so happy that you're part of my channel, and keep on learning. Hey, have a great day out there. Adios. Goodbye.